My main goal is to glow up and then act like I don't know nobody.
Yo, what's up, Short Guys fam? It's your boy JP, because something came by mail. Check it out. I got 2 packages here. 2 packages. Now, what could this be? Let's open it and check it out. Okay, guys, I opened up the package, and what did I get? Wheel spacers. Yes. Because you know how my car looks. Looks tucked in, and the fitment ain't right, so we need to do something about it. But right here, I got, these are for the rear. So these are 25 millimeters. I order, some reason I thought I ordered the front and the back at the same time, and which I didn't. So right now I got the rear, and tomorrow, today's Thursday, so tomorrow Friday, I should be getting the front ones. So I'm gonna open it up and show you how it looks. So here you go, guys. These are 25 millimeters spacers. It's just heavy. Fucking heavy. Pretty, they're well made. I checked the reviews, checked the website out, and they both, the quality is good. So yeah, this is what it is. This goes to the rear of the rims, the back part. So it's gonna make my wheel stick out more. And yeah, so tomorrow I should be getting the front ones. Okay, guys. Oh my God, you gotta see the mess I made. Look at all that mess. All this crap. Yeah, I had to take it out of the box, and I had to put it on the counter to show you, give you an idea of what it is. So I'm gonna show you right now what it is. Ta-da! It's my rear diffuser. It goes in the back of the back lower part. This is where the muffler is supposed to stick out. This goes on the bumper part. And this is where the light is. I got it from here. Shout out to Street Aerial. Just look dope. Excuse my lunch. I mean, I wish you guys could see it in person. It looks hot. So yeah, guys, this is what came in the mail. Cool. That and the spacer over there. Tomorrow I should be getting the front spacer. And I got one more thing coming besides the spacer. Well, actually I got 2 more things. I have 2 things coming. And I guess you will have to wait for the next video to find out what it is, and by the time I get all that stuff, we'll put it all in the car and see how it will look. You know what I'm saying? Well, guys, that's it. That's all I have for you guys. I wish. Yo, what's up, Short Guys fam? This is your boy JP. Another Short Guy production video. Today, come home, received the package, put my phone down, get the trusty scissors, pick this up. This thing took 2 weeks to get. Package. Let's see what I got here. Cool, I like it. See this? Tow hook, I guess, for my front bumper. I see a lot of people have this on their 370Z, 350Z. Some of them have the other one, the one with the strap. I got the one with the metal piece. I think it looks, well, they both look good, but I think this is my preference. Let's see what they got. I'm gonna open this bad boy up. Every time I do this video, I'm always with my uniform. So, I come home and my package is here. I'm gonna go upstairs and change. See this? Feels good. Feels sturdy. This is the other piece. There you go. It's the other piece. To me, it looks heavy, pretty heavy. I checked a couple of spots on Amazon, and some of them checked on the review, and some of them say, you know, it's no good and all that stuff. But I checked this one out. I think this is got it from JDM, I believe it was. No, not JDM. Whatever, it was another brand, but they got 4.5 stars, so I went with them. I mean, it was not too expensive. It was $40. You know, they had cheaper ones like $20, $18, but I didn't want to go cheap. You know, even though I'm not gonna really. This is just for show, but it's not really for. I mean, if I get stuck somewhere, I guess it will help benefit or whatever. But it's mainly just for show. You know, just hook it up and, you know, just to, you know, appearance-wise. Yeah, so there's give you a better look. Hold my hand. I mean, I thought it would feel like light, but this feels heavy. Looks like it's well made. Like what we have here. Package came at 4:34. Sorry that I'm acting like a fool. Alright, I'm gonna put you down. Let's see what this is. I'm gonna cut it with this. Yeah, no, not really, because I was supposed to cut potato for my wife, and she should be here soon, and she's gonna kill me because I'm doing this instead of this. Oh well. Love you, babe. Alright, what we open here?
Guys, this thing comes straight from Canada. Canada. Oh, man. This thing took like 2 weeks. 2 weeks, people. I know. People are saying, why you got it from Canada? Could have got it local in the United States. And you know what? You're right. I could have. I should have. But I was recommended to this place. So I wanted to give them a shot. I went to the Instagram page. And I liked what I saw. So I went with them. The crazy thing is, when I open this and I show you what it is, I'm going to tell you a story. Alright? So stay tuned. You know what, guys? I could fast forward this video while I'm editing, but I'm not, so I'm just gonna pause it, and when I open it, I'll press record again. Alright? Be back. Be back, alright?
It's the side splitters. Yes. Oh, don't put you down, man. Hold on a second. Alright. Much better. Here you go. Look at that. Beautiful. This is a company called Aerial Blitz. That's where I got it from. And it comes with a little winglets, whatever you call it, winglets. Two of them here, one for each side. And this is what will go on the side. So guys, what's up, guys? Sorry I couldn't put any more footage. Files got corrupted. Couldn't do anything about it. So anyways, I hope you liked that video. We're gonna be installing them soon, pretty soon. So stay tuned for the next video. Yeah, guys, if this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell button, and share with your friends and family. So see you on the next video. Peace.